Good morning students. Welcome back to my class. Today I will discuss page number 23, body parts of a bird. Okay, body parts of a bird already completed. Again I will repeat. So listen, everybody follow the picture. First, a bird has a streamlined body that helps it to fly. Who helps to fly? Because the bird has a streamlined body that helps it to fly. Its body consists of a head, this one, head, a pointed or curved beak, a pointed or curved beak, this one, beak, eyes, wings, legs, feet and tail. Okay, so different type of body parts of bird like human being, but difference are something, not same. Okay, birds have soft and fluffy feathers all over their body. They do not have teeth. They do not have teeth. Instead, they have beak. Instead of beak. This one, beak. Okay. Birds do not have teeth like human being and animal. They have beak. They have a beak. They have two holes called nares or nostrils. They are located on their beaks. Where is this located? Here. Where it is located? In here. Located on their beaks, through which they breathe. They have light and hollow bones, small, soft hollow bones filled with air, which makes their body light. This helps them to fly. Who helps them to fly? Hollow bones. Hollow bones. They have light and hollow bones filled with air, which makes their body light. This helps them to fly. Birds have strong flight muscles. Strong flight muscles here, to which their wings attached. These muscles help the wings to move up and down, up and down. Okay, this one already I have said. Now, today I will start beak, about beak. Okay. Beak is the hard-pointed or curved other tip of a bird's mouth. Beak is the hard-pointed or curved outer tip of a bird's mouth. Birds use their beaks to catch and eat food. Birds use their beaks different type of work. First, catch and eat food. Then they also use it to feed their young ones and build nest. Young ones means small birds. Okay, small birds. They also use it to feed their young ones and build nests. Beaks help birds to clean and smoothen their feathers too. I hope so many seen birds are in the pond or lake or river side. Then their beak smoothen their feathers. This is called preening. This is called preening. Okay, this is called preening. All birds do not eat the same kind of food because their beaks different. That's why all birds do not eat the same kind of food. For example, some birds eat fruit, grains and seeds while others eat flesh and insects. So different type of birds also there, flesh eating birds, another birds. So different type of beaks, different type of food. We all are eat rice. Most of the public, means most of the people, we will eat lunchtime rice and dinner time roti or chapati. But the birds beaks also different, food also different. So all birds do not eat the same kind of food. Okay, therefore they have different kinds of beaks to suit the type of food they eat. Then next point, kind of beaks. Look at the picture, so many birds is there. Strong, short and hard beaks. Strong, short and hard beaks. Birds like pigeon, sparrow and peacock eat nuts and seeds. Sparrow. First picture, sparrow's beak. Look at the sparrow's beak. Everybody follow the picture. Sparrow beaks. Okay. Then next, number 2, pigeon beaks. After that, eastern yellow robin's beak, same kind of beaks. Another bird, eastern yellow robin's beak. Eastern yellow robin beaks. These 3 type of birds has same beaks. Birds that like sparrow, pigeon eat nuts and seeds. Before I have said in the live class also I have said birds like pigeon, sparrow and peacock and eastern yellow robin's beak. So this type of birds have strong, short and hard beak. They eat nuts and seeds. These birds strong, short and hard beaks that help them to bite and crack open the nuts, means walnut. Walnut's cover is too much hard, so this type of beaks open the cover quickly, crack the cover, crack open the nuts and seeds they eat. So this type of beaks need for open or crack the nuts cover. So this type of birds means sparrow, pigeon, peacock eat nuts and seeds. Okay. They do this to make their food soft before eating. They do this to make their food soft before eating. Next page, page number 24, strong, sharp and hooked beaks. Next point, so everybody follow the picture. First picture, vultures. This one flesh eating birds like eagle, vulture and hawk have strong, sharp and hooked beaks. So first picture, vultures. So this one vulture beak. Okay. Then second one, hawk beak. Hawk's beak. That time you said hawk. So look at the picture. Hawk's picture. Beaks also follow. Flesh eating birds and beaks like strong, sharp and hooked. Look, this one hooked like curve. This one hooked. hooked beak. Okay. Next picture. Eagle's beak. Same kind of beak. Okay. So flesh-eating birds like eagle, vulture and hawk, okay, have strong, sharp and hooked beaks. Eagles, vulture and hawks eat flesh of other birds and animals. So their beaks are strong, sharp and hooked. Okay, eagles, vulture and hawks eat flesh of other birds and animals. So their beaks are strong, sharp and hooked. They are called birds of prey. They are called birds of prey. These birds are known as birds of prey. Same thing. Beaks of such birds help them to catch and kill their prey and tear the flesh into small pieces. These three type of birds, their beaks help them to. Their beaks help them to tear the flesh. Tear the flesh means any bird or animals. After that, small pieces, then this bird eat. Okay. So this type of birds have strong, sharp and hooked beaks. Okay. They are called birds of prey. Next. Strong chisel-shaped beaks. Strong chisel-shaped beaks. Woodpeckers hoopoes pokes holes in hard tree trunks to pull out insects to eat. So they have strong chisel-shaped beaks. Follow the first picture. Woodpeckers' beaks. Okay, this one woodpeckers, colorful birds. And follow the beaks also. Next, hoopoo. Next, hoopoes. After that, woodpecker. After that, woodpeckers. Okay. So first one, woodpeckers. Different. This two side is there. Woodpeckers. Second one, hoopoes. And third one also, woodpeckers. Okay. So birds like woodpeckers and hoopoo have a strong, long and chisel-shaped beaks. Their beaks help them to make holes in the tree trunk, hard trunk of trees, and to pull out insects from there to eat. Okay. So example of strong and chisel-shaped beaks, woodpeckers and hoopoo's beaks. An example of strong, sharp and hooked beaks, eagle, vulture, hawk. And another example of strong, short and hard beaks, pigeon, sparrow, peacock and eastern yellow robin's beak. Eastern yellow robin's beak. Okay, so everybody follow the picture and rate the kinds of beaks. Okay, so today up to here. Thank you. Bye bye.